Due to extreme climate change, the availability and preservation of raw materials has become increasingly difficult, which will badly affect the feed industry. How do we ensure that raw materials are stored properly and that the most effective automatic control methods are used in the manufacturing process so as to allow the best application of raw materials? FineTek's Intelligent Warehouse Management Solution helps improve the quality and safety of feed. EDX continuously monitors the speed of the hoisting machine. If overloading, idling, or stoppage occurs, the system will instantly let out an alert signal. EEX uses mechanical measurements to prevent dust interference with high reliability. Raw material inventories can now be monitored in real time. EST can simultaneously measure the temperature and height of the materials at multiple points in the storage bin, allowing easy tracking and recording of the material status in real time. JTR provides continuous measurement of the material levels. The instrument is explosion-proof certified, ensuring the safety of both staff and operations. FineTek technology offers complete intelligent warehouse management solutions to meet the needs of various environments. We help build more stringent automation processes for effective management of raw materials and finished products, creating better benefits for our customers.
The key to start sensing the world. FineTek.